down here in southwest New Zealand. It's the largest national park, of course, in New Zealand, and one of the largest in the world. Just awesome. So we're now at a place called Falls Creek, which I guess if you went 2 hours walking, you could get it. And we're going to go take a picture of this waterfall here, which is seriously raging. Got a waterfall here. There's a waterfall coming down through here. This down in here, this tunnel of ice, this is the middle of their summer here, and this is the snow that is here from last winter. And this could come caving down in at any time. They warn people not to go down in here. And you can see the water just cascading down the side of the hill all the way from the very top of this thing. And I'll zoom in here to give you a view from way up there. I don't think, once again, that anybody, when they're watching this, hopefully folks will get to see it, can appreciate the scope and magnitude of this landscape. So we're getting in line here for the Homer Tunnel. It says 15 minutes between signals, but I don't